Alright, let's review part 1, the introduction, and part 2, the supremacy clause. Okay, here we go. Why is the Constitution important? Remember, we talked about this question last review. Here it is. Remember the magic answer, word for word. The Constitution makes the rules that protect we, the people, from the government or any other person taking our freedom from us. Okay? Let's get that ingrained in our hearts. Why the Constitution is so important. Why we study this in the first place. Next question. What branches of government do Articles 1, 2, and 3 of the Constitution address? Okay? Kind of combining the question here. 1 is legislative. Good. 2 is executive. 3 is, remember the smiles? Going to the judge. Judicial. Okay, good. Okay? Quickly now, name the 5 clauses everyone should know. Remember our acronym? STING. So S is supremacy. T is treaty law. I is interstate commerce clause. N is necessary and proper clause. And G is general welfare clause. Very good. Okay. Hopefully those are just boom, boom, boom. They rattle right off. Okay, very, very quick. Name the constitutional reference for the following 2 clauses. Supremacy clause is supreme. Read supreme. Article 6, clause 2. Good. And the treaty law should be right in your head. Is Article 6, clause 2 as well, right? Got a tree and a T, 6'2". Excellent. Now moving into the supremacy. Review for the supremacy. Supreme or supremacy, fill in the blank level of power or authority. Remember the answer there? Supremacy. Supreme means the highest level of power or authority. Excellent. Next question is defining to pursue. What's it mean to pursue? To follow. Well done. Okay. Next thing is fill in the blank. This Constitution and laws of the United States, which shall be made in pursuance thereof, right? That's the condition, remember? Okay? And the next question says, essentially, what does that mean? Explain the significance of the highlighted portion of the supremacy clause, this yellow part, which shall be made in pursuance thereof. Tell me the significance of that. What does that mean? I'm listening. Go for it. Good. Keep going. I don't know where you're at. Yeah. Okay. Now, once again, this is the exact word-for-word answer you need to have. Okay, here it is. Just because a law is a federal law, that does not mean it is supreme and wins out in a conflict between federal and state law. What wins out is the Constitution. So if a federal law is made that violates the Constitution instead of follows it, then that law is not the supreme law of our land. The Supremacy Clause puts the Constitution as the supreme law of the land, not federal law as the supreme law of the land. Did you get that? Okay. More or less, right? The idea. We want to capture those ideas. It's really, really important to know that. Lastly, we're going to go through the memorization of the Supremacy Clause. Are you ready? Okay. Go. This Constitution and the laws of the United States that shall be made in pursuance thereof shall be the supreme law of the land. Excellent.